Oh, hi. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. So Anchor, you pooped?
Look!
Should we change your diaper?
Yeah!
We gotta change his diaper. We'll be right back, right?
Okay.
Okay.
You know what? God made that for us.
God made what for us?
The sun.
He made the sun for us? How do you know?
He loved me and Appa and Anchor and all of us.
God loves all of us?
Because we want to do the right things, and if we do the right things, God loves us.
Do you know what, though? Even if we don't do the right things, we do bad things sometimes, God still loves us.
But if we fight with toys, God getting angry, right?
No, he doesn't get angry, he gets sad. So if we like fight and he's like sad, he's not really angry. He doesn't like it, but he's more sad.
If we have one toy, someone wants it and throw it at people and not share like that.
Yeah, then God gets sad, right?
But if we share, then what's gonna happen? Getting happy.
God gets happy? I think God does like it when we share. Because sharing is caring. So, anyway, Lincoln, tell me about yourself.
Okay, I can do the ninja kicks.
You can do ninja kicks?
Come on, downstairs.
Okay.
Go downstairs. This way, girl. Bible.
Anchor, what do you want to do?
Bye.
Look into my eyes. Look at me, Lincoln. Look at Amma.
What did she say?
I love you so much.
Mama said her loves me.
Her loves you? Nice.
But you know what?
What?
I love
What? I love you too.
you. And you know what? I love you.
Anchor, can you say I love you?
Mama, that's Where is it? It's in the car.
You guys just popping bubble wrap, like super bored? If you're so bored, let's go on a bike ride. Do you think that's fun?
No.
Why are you doing it then? What'd you say, Link?
Yeah.
Oh, don't throw the transformer.
Why?
Because you just don't throw toys, you know that.
After we start going with the boys, let's do this.
Oh, okay. You want to do like a little hands in cheer kind of a thing?
Like blue, or green, or green card.
Or like boys rule? Oh, you need your transformer? Where is it? There it is. Okay, Anchor, let's put your shoes on. Should we put socks on first? I'm kidding. This is called the Walua Trail.
Mung Mung.
You see a mung mung? See the puppy? Alright guys, bring it in. Boys rule on 3. Anchor, come here. Ready? Ready? Anchor, come here. Anchor? Come here. No, right here. Ready? Boys rule. How about bikes rule? Bikes rule on 3. Bikes rule.
That's why.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Three.
Bikes rule! Yes. Bike riding time.
Oh yeah. I said it. Oh yeah.
Say oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what we done.
One more time? Peace.
I have some 14 things to tell you, Papa.
You have some important things to tell me?
There's a little bit walk.
There's a little bit of rocks. That is important. You gotta stay off the rocks, right?
Then we'll be bumpy. Boom, 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 boom.
We don't want it to be too bumpy. You?
Papa.
Yes, Anchor. Anchor, what's up?
Bye.
Bike. Hey, remember that one time, Link, where you won the Keiki triathlon?
Yeah.
This was the bike that you did it on, right?
What
What do you see? What's around this place? Anything interesting?
No. Oh, just walks. And this birds.
Birds? See birds? I haven't seen any birds yet.
So there's also in there. That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Tell me about Amma. Do you like Amma? Why do you like her?
Because her so pretty.
What are you doing?
They wrote Carrie. That's not your name. Did you take someone's drink?
No. It's so funny. I feel like I order this almost every afternoon, and the same guy is at the cashier, and he still doesn't know my name.
So messed up.
What's up with that?
Seriously.
Don't you ever post this
People
on YouTube.
have been coming up to me all day saying we want to see more of Terry in
Yeah,
your
like
vlogs.
one person.
No.
Yeah.
Nope. So pretty.
And bye.
Here.
And
Huh?
bye.
Is Amma pretty, Anchor?
Mhm.
Yeah? Can you say pretty?
Bye.
Pretty.